Hi, this is how you perform a factory reset of the OnePlus 13. Please note that following these steps will remove all personal data from the phone. It will, however, not restore any software or Android updates that you've performed on the phone. To initiate the factory reset process, just open the settings and scroll all the way down to the bottom and select System and Updates. From here, select Backup and Reset, followed by Reset Phone. Now, pick Erase All Data, input your lock code if you got one, and then select whether or not you want to keep or remove any of the installed eSIM profiles. In this case, we want to clear everything, so we select Clear All Data. After one last click on the Clear button, the factory reset process is then underway. The whole thing takes about a minute to complete, after which the phone then starts up in its normal setup mode. From here, either follow the on-screen instructions to set the phone up again, or turn it off if you're selling or getting rid of it. To turn the phone off here, just push the side button along with the volume up button and then select power off. And that's about that. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to help. Thank you for watching. Bye.